Dive into modern calligraphy and creative lettering with Pitt Artist Pen lettering sets from Faber-Castell Creative Studio. The modern lettering set comes with 4 Pitt Artist pens. There's a brush tip, soft chisel tip, and a bullet tip. This set allows you to create thick and thin brushstrokes perfect for modern calligraphy techniques. The Pitt Artist Pen lettering set comes with 4 brush pens. The nibs work like a paintbrush and will create thick and thin lines that are perfect for brush lettering, illustrating, and mixed media. There are 4 different lettering sets to choose from: primary, pastel, brights, and jewel tones. All of the lettering sets are waterproof, odorless, and won't bleed through paper. They're also Lightfast and come with archival India ink, making your images stay bright and vibrant for many years to come. If you're looking for unique and versatile brush pens, then you need the Pitt Artist Pen Modern Lettering Set and Lettering Set from Faber-Castell Creative Studio. Find single pens in more colors and nib varieties in the art aisle of your arts and crafts retailer.